out where the whale's wind blows, through the Pequot's ragged seams, on an endless stretch of acres where the sky could split your dreams. There ran a curly-headed whirlwind with blue eyes full of fire, boots from the farm supply, and a heart that climbed higher. She scaled that mountain at 8 years old, small hands on ancient stone, just a little girl who wanted to talk to Jesus all alone. Wind in her hair, dust on her knees, she whispered up her pleas, and she set her part. That's where heaven heard the first beat of her fearless, faithful heart. She was wild as a sagebrush, tough as the land, tiny feet chasing horizons she could barely understand. Born with a bent toward the brave and the bold, gifted with grace that made heavy things look easy to hold. Oh, that Nevada girl, running reckless and free, curly-headed lightning with a soul like the sea. She swam naked in the reservoir, laughing at the sun, rode horses way too big for her, but goaded them to run. Every challenge, every canyon, every dare she ever knew, she met it with a grin that said, I was made to push on through. And the mountains learned her footsteps, and the storms learned her name, 'cause she carried something steady no wild place could tame. The kind of strength that's quiet, the kind you hardly see, while she managed the pain and smiled so easily. Yeah, she was wild, wild as a sagebrush, tough as the land, tiny feet chasing horizons she could barely understand. Born with a bent toward the brave and the bold, gifted with grace that made heavy things look easy to hold. Oh, that Nevada girl, running reckless and free, curly-headed lightning with a soul like the sea. From the Pequot winds to the wide blue sky, she grew on that ranch where she learned to fly, and she carries that country wherever she goes. A woman now, through whom the wild girl glows. She has settled in her years, still tough as a land. How she got to these blessings, she'll never quite understand. With a heart grown bigger and more able to love, more grace, more peace, delivered from above.